Hello, this is Monica Rahar, and today we'll be taking up the case of Sangeeta Singh versus Pradeep for our discussion. It was delivered by a single judge bench of the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana, and the bench consisted of Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar. The date of the decision is 2nd of September 2020. The issue of law which came for court's consideration was whether the period of 6 months, which is prescribed or provided for under Section 13B, subsection 2 of the Hindu Marriage Act, can be waived off. Now let's proceed with the brief facts of the matter. So, in the year 2010, both the petitioners they got married to each other. However, since January 2018, they started living separately. They tried to mediate their differences and reconcile their marriage. However, they could not do so, and seeing all these efforts of reconciliation and mediation go in vain, both the petitioners decided to prefer or file for a divorce petition. So they did file for a divorce petition, and soon after filing the divorce petition, an application to waive off the statutory period of 6 months was filed. See, the very purpose of having this compulsory 6 months statutory period, or which is often called as the cooling off period, after the first motion of such a petition is preferred, is to give the parties a chance to sit together, mediate their differences, and give their marriage a try. Because in Hindu law or Hindu religion, marriage is considered as such a sacred union of two parties. Therefore, whenever a divorce petition or divorce decree is sought, this period is there to give the parties some time to rethink their decision. But the additional district judge Mohali rejected this application of waiver of the statutory period, and the court did in fact want the parties to go through or observe this period of 6 months, and therefore the next date of hearing was fixed somewhere in January next year. The couple, however, aggrieved by this decision of the district judge Mohali, preferred a revision petition before the High Court, which sought dissolution of marriage by divorce and decree under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act on the ground of mutual consent. Now, when the proceedings were undergoing before the High Court of Punjab and Haryana, the Supreme Court decision in the case of Amardeep Singh versus Harleen Kaur was referred to, and in this case, the Supreme Court held that waiting period, which is mentioned under Section 13B, subsection 2, is not mandatory. It is rather directory, and the court observed that courts are open to exercise their discretion. The discretion should not be vague or arbitrary. Rather, it should be based on facts and circumstance of each individual case. And if the court, which is exercising this discretion, deems it fit that the waiting period of 6 months can be waived off, then the courts are empowered to do so. Now let's proceed with the reasoning and decision of the High Court. So the court observed that waiver of the cooling off period can be considered if the statutory period of 6 months, which is prescribed under Section 13B, subsection 2, and the statutory period of 1 year of separation, which is given under Section 13B, subsection 1, it is already over before the first motion itself. The second situation when this waiver can be granted by the court is when all the efforts of mediation and conciliation to reunite have failed. So this is essentially reflecting on the fact that the purpose for which the schooling of period is provided for, so the purpose is anyway not going to be fulfilled because the parties have in the past tried to mediate their differences, but they've failed. The third circumstance or situation being differences including alimony, child custody, other pending issues are genuinely settled by the parties. And the fourth being the waiting period will only prolong their agony. Thus, the court, with respect to the factual matrix of this case, observed that the parties have already executed between them a memorandum of understanding wherein they settled all issues, including issue of their minor daughter's custody. And both the parties, the petitioners, they were educated adults and they were over 30 years of age. Therefore, the court presumed that they were in the best position to judge what is good and what is not for their bestest interests. Therefore, the court allowed the revision petition and held that The present case was in fact fit for additional district judge to exercise his discretion in petitioner's favor in terms of the law which is laid down by the Supreme Court, which we already discussed above. Secondly, the court held that the statutory period of 6 months be waived off, and the order which was delivered by the additional district judge, whereby the statutory period of the application of waiver of the statutory period was rejected. So the Punjab and Haryana High Court set aside this order, and the parties were given liberty to approach the additional district judge for advancement of their case in view of the decision of Punjab and Haryana High Court in this case. So at the end of the note, we have a list of abbreviations which we've used in the note. So you may have a look at them in order to get a clearer understanding of the issue at hand. That's all we have for this case. Thank you.